Hello and welcome to this Office Logic Shop tutorial, where we'll show you how to replace your Aeron chair's bushing, also known as a spacer. These are two names for the same part. Let's get started. In order to remove the Aeron seat, start by unscrewing the seat bolts as shown. Next, remove the bolts on the mechanism. Easy, right? Now let's remove the back. Now you need to remove the back by unscrewing the 4 screws located there. After removing the back, you will need to remove the arm yokes. To replace a bushing, remove the corresponding arm yoke. The left bushing requires removing the left arm yoke, and similarly for the right. Both arm yokes are removed following the same process. The only distinction is that the left arm yoke has 2 knobs, while the right one has 1 knob. It's worth noting that there are 2 versions of these knobs. The newer version can be easily removed by snapping them out. The older version, on the other hand, can be identified by a hole on the knob. Be cautious, snapping the old version can break them. If you have the older version, please watch our video on how to safely remove them. Now you can proceed to remove the knobs, unscrew the mechanism, and separate it from the chair before removing the arm yoke. Once the mechanism is removed, you can easily pull the arm yoke. Remove the old bushing or spacer and insert the new one. After inserting the new bushing, simply put the arm yoke back in place and reattach the mechanism. Next, attach the seat mechanism cover. It's important to note that there are 2 versions of this cover, one with 2 teeth and another with 4 teeth. Simply snap the teeth into their respective slots, ensuring that the cables are clear and out of the way so the cover closes securely. If you haven't already done so, reattach the knobs. If you can't remember where they are supposed to go, you can use these photos as a reference. Make sure that the arms are pushed away so you can have enough space, then insert the seat as shown. Reattach the seat links to the mechanism cover, then insert the mechanism bolts and tighten them. Insert the seat bolts too. It's recommended to tighten the first side just a little bit, then once you insert and fully tighten the other side, you can fully tighten the first side. Now, all you have to do is reinstall the back. Simply place it in position and insert the 4 screws. Make sure to tighten them securely. You've successfully replaced the bushing on your Aeron chair and reassembled all the parts. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for our latest exclusive tutorials and in-depth reviews.